Present perfect versus past simple, real life English.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Up, Level Up Your English. You studied English for years, but you still ask yourself, have you finished? Or did you finish? Today I'll make this very simple.
Simple explanation, no grammar stress.
English has two past forms people confuse the most: present perfect and past simple.
Past simple means finished time. Example: yesterday, last night, in 2020. Present perfect means result now. Example: no time mentioned. Example: I finished my work yesterday. Example: I have finished my work. Now I'm free. Real life situations.
Let's see how people really use this in daily life. Situation 1. Phone call. Did you eat? Today is finished or specific time. Have you eaten? Means are you hungry now? Situation 2. Work. Did you send the email? Yes, I sent it at 9 a.m. Yes, I've sent it. Means task done.
Common mistakes.
Many learners say this: I have finished my work yesterday. This is wrong.
Rule: simple, yesterday, last, ago means past simple, no time word means present perfect. The correct answer: I finished my work yesterday. I've finished my work. Spoken English upgrade.
In real English, people shorten present perfect.
Examples: I've done it. She's finished. We've decided. I have finished is too formal in speaking. Mini practice. Pause the video and choose the correct one. 1. Blank. You ever tried sushi? A. Did. B. Have. 2. I. Blank. This movie last night. A. Have watched. B. Watched. Answers. 1. Have. Have you ever tried sushi? 2. Watched. I watched this movie last night.
If this lesson helped you, you're already leveling up your English. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Up, Level Up Your English for more easy lessons. See you next time.